Hello viewers, welcome to our Excel video series. Today's topic, how to use range name in Excel. Range name is a technique by which we can assign an user-defined name to a particular cell or a group of cells. That means a range name can contain either a single cell or multiple cell addresses. So now we are going to show you how range name can be created, how it can be applied in formulas in Excel, and what additional advantage you can get if you use range name in Excel formulas. So let us go to the Excel worksheet. I hope you can see the Excel worksheet. This is the loan sheet that we have created. Now look at the loan amount. These loan amounts are basically the amount which have been taken as a loan by different applicants. So here are the names, here loan policy number, here loan amounts are there. So what I'm doing first, these loan figures are all numerics. I'm trying to attach some currency symbols. Process is very easy. I'm selecting, and from here I can see already rupees symbol is available. If it is not available, you can go to the more accounting formats. Maybe you have to search, scroll by scrolling it up or scrolling it down. This screen will appear. So from here also you can choose and click on OK. So what you can see is that not only the currency symbol is occurring, also it is placing the commas and decimal positions, and every figure is coming with 2 decimal places. So now our next column is interest. Suppose for an example, whatever the loan amount has been taken, I'm calculating a flat interest rate, say 7%. So you know that in Excel, every formula begins with equals to symbol. So I have placed my cell pointer over here. I am using the formula equals to. I'm mentioning the address of this particular cell, and I can straightly write multiplied by 7%. So here also I can see that the figures are coming, and if I copy paste for rest of the cells, definitely it will be able to evaluate interest amount against all these loan amounts. But the problem is that sometimes in an office, suppose I am working very adjacent to my workstation, another person is working. So whenever I can see, you can see whenever I'm placing the cell pointer to any of these cells, inside the formula bar, the exact formula is being displayed. So anybody can very easily, without manipulating any data, this other persons can very easily understand what is the logic of 7%, how we are calculating the interest, etc., etc. So there is a chance that always a business secrets can be revealed intentionally or unintentionally. So I want to stop this particular thing. So I know that for every loan amount, 7% rate of interest will be applied. So I'm going to another sheet, say for example, sheet 3, which is comparatively blank. You can see that 7% I have written somewhere. And here this is called as the name box. By default, this name box shows the cell address where your cell pointer is situated. So here I am clicking and I am giving a logical name. It should be a single word, say ROI, rate of interest. No space, no comma, no special characters, no dots are allowed. It should be a very uh, single word name. And point to be noted, after that, many people just clicks the mouse somewhere else. But don't do that. You have to press the enter key. I'm also doing. So now what you can see that it is no more showing the cell address. And this is called range name. That means this is the process how you can create the range name. Now, coming back to loan data. Here, instead of 7%, now I can straightly use ROI. Excel, you see that the range name is applicable for this entire worksheet. Although the range name is created inside sheet number 3, but definitely I can equally use in any formula, whether I am in sheet 1 or any other sheet, say sheet 4, sheet 2, sheet 7, any other sheet. For the entire file, this range name will be applicable. Now you can see here, not it is showing 7%. Instead, it is showing ROI. And again, I am trying to copy the same formula. So for every formula, now it will show ROI instead of 7%. Now, question is, today I can remember where I have created a range name. Tomorrow I may forget. So to facilitate so that we can come to know what exactly ROI is, I can always use F5 key. F5 key is also called as a go-to key. And if I say ROI, you can see the range names are coming. Wherever I am, if I click on OK, directly I will reach to that particular cell address where the range name has been created. So at this time, this range name ROI is basically containing only one particular cell. As I told, that range name can be assigned for a multiple cells. Say for example, here some orders are placed. Due to some reason, I want to select all these cells, and definitely I can give them a range name, say orders. Again, point to be noted, it should be a single word, and I'm pressing the enter key. Now, if you press F5 key, you will find that these two range names are coming. If you want to go to the ROI to check what is there in ROI, you can go. Again, if you press enter F5 key, and if you click on orders, you can again come to this particular position. Another thing is that when you are selecting the entire thing, if you partially select, automatically cell addresses, the starting cell address will come. But if you select this data, which was assigned a range name, then the range name will appear in the name box. Now you might ask me, in case a range name has to be deleted, how to do it? So that cannot be done using F5 key. F5 is basically a controller key. Sometimes it is called as a go-to key, where you can move from one place to another place within a particular worksheet, or maybe across the worksheet. So to do this, we have to, if you want to really delete any unwanted range name, so you can go to the formulas. There is a very big icon called Name Manager. You can see the shortcut is Control and F3. So if you click on Name Manager, you can see all the range names are appearing. You can select any particular range name which you want to delete, and on its top there is a delete button. So you can click on this delete button and this range name will be removed from your worksheet. ROI will be retained, but order will be removed. So now you can see that although you have selected this entire data, no range name is appearing in the name box. So this is how we can use range names in our Excel worksheet. Hope you have liked this topic, and if you have liked, please do not forget to subscribe and put your valuable comments if not done already. We will be coming up with more such Excel related videos very shortly. Thank you.